Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings with Shannon Rollings Real Estate, and today I want to talk about two types of renovation projects if you're thinking about upgrading your personal home or an investment property you own. There are two types of renovation projects. One is called a value-added project, and the other is called a personal preference project. The National Association of Realtors cites that value-added projects include things like upgrading your kitchen with smart appliances, upgraded countertops, upgrading your bathroom, adding new siding to the house, improving the back deck, or replacing windows. All of these things are usually value-added projects that you will see the value added to your property when it comes time to sell. Personal preference projects are things like adding a pool, a hot tub, maybe converting a room into a game room. Those are personal preference projects, and what that means is that when it comes time to sell the home, a buyer may not pay an extra or a premium on the home for those kind of projects where they may have for the value-added projects. If you have questions about any kind of project, feel free to give me a call. Another thing to consider in renovation, if you're thinking about changing something in your home that is typical for your neighborhood. For instance, if you have a two-car garage and everybody else has a two-car garage and you're thinking about changing that into a game room, you're thinking about selling soon, you maybe don't want to do that. It could hurt the value of your home when it comes time to sell. If you have questions, feel free to give me a call. I'd be glad to talk it through with you. Or if you need a free in-home valuation, I'd be happy to do that for you as well. My team and I are on standby 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., ready to assist you.